Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front head airbag, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, ABS, daytime running lights, automatic headlights, cargo shade, tow hitch, and leather steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.